join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
Baa Baa Blue Goat woke up one day, stretching his legs to jump and play. Today's adventure is waiting for me. I'll explore the hills and the big oak tree. He climbed the hill with a cheerful baa, hopping over rocks near and far. The sun shone bright on his shiny coat, lighting the path for the blue goat. Along the way he met a sheep, nodding softly from the grassy deep. Come along, let's explore and run under the sky and the golden sun. Blue goat trotted through the sparkling stream, splashing water in a playful dream. Frogs croaked songs and fish swam by, glinting scales that caught his eye. Next he saw a meadow full of flowers, buzzing bees passing in gentle showers. Butterflies danced from bloom to bloom, adding color to the sunny room. He climbed a tree, then leapt so high, almost touching the bright blue sky. Birds cheered him on with songs so sweet, making the adventure extra neat. Through the hills and down the glade, Blue Goat wandered, never afraid, finding berries crunchy and red, filling his tummy before his bed. As evening came with skies of gold, Blue Goat yawned but felt so bold. He trotted home through the sleepy glade, thinking of the fun his adventure